Hey guys, my name is Catherine. I am going to do a review on my new purchase of a Balenciaga purse. Actually, I've been wanting to get a Balenciaga since like 2 years, no, since last year, but I chose to get a Chanel purse first before I get a Balenciaga. So finally, last weekend, I had a big purchase of Balenciaga purse, and I got it in a boutique in Melrose, Los Angeles, California. So here it is. I got a Giant City anthracite Balenciaga purse in rose gold giant hardware. As you can see, here's the color of the Balenciaga. It looks like it's kind of grayish black when it's like dimmer, but when there's so much light, it looks gray with a green undertone on it. And what's nice about this purse is you can wear it with whatever you want, with whatever outfit you're wearing. Like, you can wear it with your gold accessories, you can wear it with your silver or white gold accessories. So that's one thing that I like about this purse. Actually, the first time I got this one, I was so hesitant about it. I wanted to return it and get myself a black purse. But then, as looking for some reviews from other Balenciaga lovers, I found out that anthracite is a nice purse, and then I love it. I really like it, and it's worth the money. Like, almost, I spent almost $2,000 for this purse, and it's worth it. I haven't tried it yet, but as soon as I'll try it out, I'll let you know if how it works. Okay, that's it for now. Bye. Thank you.